Washburn's Metal in Orange, California designs and fabricates their own Washburn Windows, which are the largest carb access panels you can install without having to cut into the engine seal trays. And each window kit also comes with a multi-page written instruction sheet and a color photo layout showing how it's done. To get started, you first need to level the car, and you can check that measurement on the edge of the engine seal tray, noted here as letter A. After moving the vertical edge of the ring as far forward as it'll go, find the ring's 0-degree level position and start adding a few clamps, so the ring won't move around while you're completing the next few steps. Be aware the mounting ring does not get welded to the inside of the fender well. It is only used here to find a level point to begin clamping. Next, drill a 1/8 inch hole in each section of the mounting ring between the threaded holes for mounting 3 clicos. It should look something like this when done. After moving the bracket to the outside, reattach the clicos and use a scribe to mark the opening of the bracket, and use an auto punch to mark each threaded hole location. Using the 2 pointed ends of a caliper, an inner scribe line is marked about a 1/4 inch away from the first marked line. With the bracket removed, you'll see both scribe lines, the holes from the clicos, and the tiny marks made by the auto punch. 1/4 inch holes placed around the ring area, but not where the auto punch marks were made, will provide access to the back side of the ring and the engine compartment, so some rosette welds can secure the ring to the fender well. That welding will come in a few more steps. Using a thin blade cutoff wheel, cuts are made just on the inside of the inner scribe line. Diagonal cuts are made in the corners to make removal quick and easy. You can see those 1/4 inch holes that were added as well. A small abrasive disc is used in the corners to get the rounded shape. A file is used to even out any variations from the cutoff wheel, but don't over-file. You'll need that lip later. The area around each of the holes is also ground away on the inside area for the rosette welds. The outside mating surface for the mounting ring is also sanded down to metal. Next, the body side of the mounting ring gets a heavy coating of weld-through primer, and the same for the outside section of the fender well. The mounting ring can be clicoed back in place in the fender well, and then secured with a group of long vice grips. The entire area of where the mounting ring must fit flat with no gaps between the ring and the body. Inside the engine compartment, rosette welds fill the 3 clico holes, as well as the larger 1/4 inch holes. All those welds can now be ground smooth. The clico holes are also welded shut on the outside of the ring and ground down too. The scribe line done earlier with the caliper has provided a lip that will be folded over onto the edge of the mounting ring. Thin relief cuts are made in the lip at each corner to allow the lip to be folded over. Some corners need 2 cuts to make folding easier. A body hammer can be used to begin folding the lip onto the edge of the mounting ring. You can be creative and even use a kingpin to help dolly the shape into the fold. Now you can see how the lip was folded over and onto the ring. Be sure to weld up those corner cut lines too. Once primed, the Washburn window bracket looks like it's a factory item that seamlessly blends into the car's fender well. Washburn's Metal supplies a steel cover for their big window kit, but they also have optional covers made from both stainless steel and carbon fiber. Once painted, the Washburn windows will blend into their surroundings while supplying the needed access to the number 1 and number 3 spark plugs and help with any dual carb setup. And for less than $200, it's money well spent for the time it'll save you in the future. For more videos and info, go to Washburn's Instagram page at Washburn's Metal. For more installation videos, go to the Washburn's Metal YouTube channel. Or for the complete line of all the available parts Washburn's makes and sells, check out the washburnsmetal.com website. Thanks for watching.